Hey guys, I was just gonna tell you how to get rid of hiccups really fast. Okay, so here's all you gotta do. First, you want to get some gum, and you want to chew it up for a while until the flavor's gone. And then, unlike if you would usually spit it out into a wrapper or something, you need to swallow it. Just be really careful when you do it so you don't choke. But yeah, I had hiccups 5 minutes ago, and I swallowed my gum and that worked. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. Okay, bye.